Hello and welcome to Hard Way Learning. Today we are replacing the windshield wash spray nozzles because these shoot just straight little streams and we want a nice misted fan. So I already took one out just to see what it was like, and there's two little clips on each side. So you have to get in underneath the hood, squeeze those, and push it through the hood. So we'll try to demonstrate that on this other side. So first things first, you gotta take the hose off, which is right here, and just pull straight down. We're coming in here with needle nose pliers, and you wanna make sure, so you're gonna be grabbing it like this, because the pin sort of flexy things are here and here, so you wanna grab it like that. Just like that, it comes off. And then there's this little rubber gasket there. Get that off. And the new nozzles, I can put a link in the description. I got it off of Amazon. They are 4 parts, but they're just a drop-in. Oh, it looks like these come with gaskets, so we don't even need the old ones. And then you should just be able to push it right through and it'll seat, and you put the tube back on and you're ready to rock and roll, and you have nice, modernized, updated nozzles. So after doing a quick clay and polish, just scratched the whole car again. But you just pop this right in. Comes with new gaskets. And then you're ready to rock and roll. Well, you gotta connect the hose underneath. And then you are ready to rock and roll. Now how to